So the official Base blockchain Twitter account just posted this. This is the crypto phone, the Ethereum phone, the dGEN1. And why I am bullish on this phone is because this phone will literally give you free crypto airdrops. As you can see on their website, they are basically distributing free crypto, free meme coins to people that will buy this phone. And if you buy this phone, they will deliver in Q1 2025. So as we are in 2025, I think they said the latest that they will deliver these phones are in spring, and you can still buy these phones, mint the NFTs that come with these phones. That will give you the opportunity to claim free tokens. I myself bought this phone, and if you decide to buy it, you can use my referral link to a 5% discount. The referral code will be in the description and in the comment section below. And this is not just a regular phone like a similar to Solana phone. I think they basically gave you a Pixel phone with some Solana applications. This is specifically made for basically crypto. This works as a crypto wallet. You can see all the specifications right here. Really great tool. And right now only around 5,700 phones, I mean dGEN1s, have been bought. And the fact that Base themselves are posting the Ethereum phone on their basically a Twitter profile is really bullish. I think there is more coming for people that own these phones, similar to Solana phone, that they were basically giving away free meme coins, thousands worth of meme coins, Solana NFTs. And as we all know, 2025 will be a proper crypto bull run. I think Ethereum will reach at least 8,000, 10,000 per one Ethereum. I think Ethereum will come back as the strongest, the biggest blockchain after Bitcoin. And again, the biggest NFTs are on Ethereum. Biggest meme coins are still on Ethereum. That's why, in my opinion, don't fade this Ethereum phone. This is a great tool. There are many utilities, many features that you can do on this phone. Again, if you want a 5% discount, you can use my referral code. The referral link is in the description and in the comment section. Also, Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base Ecosystem, Base Network, he posted about this dGEN1 Ethereum phone. Also, I think the Brian Armstrong, the Coinbase CEO, also retweeted this phone. That's why don't fade. The 2025 will be huge. They will deliver these phones in spring of 2025, so soon. And one more alpha, few thousand of the first dGEN1 NFTs and phones will count as OG mints. That's why I think there will be more bigger utility for the first few thousand phones and NFTs. And NFT collection, you can see, is OpenSea. And one dGEN phone costs around $500. And if you use my referral code, referral link, you will get a $50 discount. That's why if you are bullish on these devices, not just crypto and NFTs, feel free to buy or not buy. And yeah, if you are new to crypto and if you want to start trading, you can use my referral link to get up to $30,000 for trading if you are signing up to Bybit. I'm using Bybit all day long. You can also use leverage trading. That's why, again, if you want to get up to $30,000 in bonuses, you can use my referral link to sign up, do the KYC. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on early alpha like this, early NFTs, early meme coin plays. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.